Hi guys, Varun here from Phone Arena, and here we have the all-new Google Pixel 3a XL, which was announced at Google I/O yesterday. And as you can see here, this is the larger version of the device, the 3a XL. Google announced the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL, and it's coming to India on May 15th. So we have it already, and we're going to be taking a look and showing you the important features of this device. So as you can see, this is the retail box it ships in, and the Team Pixel branding on the back. And this is the 3a XL, as you can see here, and the pricing is about 45,000 for the 3a XL. It's about 40,000 for the 3a. The main difference is the screen size though. So this is the 6-inch screen on this one. It's a 5.6-inch screen on the smaller 3a, so that's pretty much the difference. So enough of talking, let's actually get to the device. So let's open up the box. As you can see here, you have the device inside. We already set it up, so we had a plastic film as well. So this is the 3a. This is the white version. There's also they have some interesting names, white for the white, black, and there's also a purplish white version as well. It's not coming to India. You're only getting the white and the black to India. So this is the device itself. As you can see, it's very similar to the Pixel 3, which came out last year, but slightly less expensive. According to Google, this is the affordable category of Pixels. Still not very affordable in India. It's about 40,000 rupees, whereas it's only about $399 for the base version before taxes. So roughly about a 10,000 rupees price difference between India and the US. But in India we have plenty of options, but in the US you have very few options for an affordable smartphone. But the best thing about the Pixel 3a XL for me, or the Pixel 3a, is the camera. So it retains the same camera as the original Pixel 3, and you get some great shots like on the Pixel 3. It's also powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor, so reasonably good performance as well. So this, let's take a look at the box contents. So you have the SIM ejector tool, the Team Pixel stickers, and user guide, and that's pretty much it. So that's it's shipping with a single SIM slot, and Google told us that they might enable the eSIM to enable dual SIM support in the future. We don't know when it's exactly coming, but we also wrote a guide about how to enable it on a Android Q version beta. So you also get so one thing I forgot to mention is that you have an headphone jack on the Pixel 3a XL, which is impressive if you want a good camera phone. It's actually one of the best camera phones right now, the Pixel 3a, for still photos. So you also get a Type-C to a Type-C cable, a Type-C to USB-A adapter. As you can see, this is a Type-A to a Type-C port in case you want to sync data from a pen drive or from another phone using a cable. So that's that. You also get earphones in the box, which is interesting. Normally you aren't getting headphones in the box. You get a decent pair of earphones with different size of tips, and you also get the wall plug, which is a quick charger which can do 9-volt 2 ampere, 5-volt 3 amperes. So the another kind of news going around is that HTC are the ones who designed the Pixel 3a, and is that one of the first fruits of the HTC acquisition Google made last year. So the Pixel 3a is actually probably an HTC device. So it looks very similar to a lot of HTC devices we have seen in the past. So probably there is some truth to the rumor. So let's put this all aside and take a look at the device itself. So let's take a look at the device. As you can see, the main story here is the camera, and Google uses a ton of software processing to give you images it's pretty much the same images you can get from the expensive Pixel 3 from a lower cost Pixel 3a device. And you also get a LED flash. So the photos coming out of the Pixel 3a are incredible, and you also have the same fingerprint sensor on the back. You have a plasticky feel to the device though, considering the build materials are plastic, so it's polycarbonate. And as you can see, you have the power lock switch, and you also have the notification light on the power lock switch, and also you have the volume rocker, and you have the SIM card tray on the left. You have only one SIM, but the SIM card slot, but you also have an eSIM option. Actually, I've enabled the eSIM on this device, as you can. I'll pretty much show you on the inside. So as you can see, I have enabled an eSIM on Airtel. So I'm not using the physical SIM card slot, but I'm actually using the eSIM. So you have a 6-inch screen on the front. It's a decent screen on the device and gets a good amount of you can get a good amount of work done on it. Under the hood, powering this Pixel 3a XL, and the Pixel 3a is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor paired with 4 gigs of RAM. And this particular device has a 3700 mAh battery. The lower end version, the Pixel 3a, has only a 3000 mAh battery. So if you're getting probably a Pixel 3a or XL, I would recommend getting the 3a XL, which has a bigger battery and a larger screen. You also have the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill on the bottom. On the top, as I told you, have the headphone jack and the another microphone, and that's pretty much it in terms of the hardware. So let's go into the software. So Google is promising 3 years worth of Android updates commitment to this device. So that's a good thing to have. So also it's running on Android 9, and let's get into the storage. So you have about 51 GB is free out of the 64 GB, and it's running on Android 9 right now. You can actually get an update to Android Q pretty quick. And you also have the squeeze feature. So you have the squeeze feature, which was on HTC devices in the past. So that's you can actually squeeze the bottom of the device. so that's something which is interesting to have. So as you can see, this is a device. So we pretty much, it was an unboxing and initial walkthrough of the device. We're going to be reviewing the device later on phone right now, so stay tuned to that. And as you can see, the front camera is an 8 megapixel camera on the front. You have fingerprint sensor on the back, and the camera and the sensors are pretty much the same used on the Pixel 3. So if you are looking for one of the best camera phones out there, and if you don't want to spend for the Pixel 3, you can get the Pixel 3a for a lesser price. Let me see if I have any samples which we shot. So here are some samples we shot with the device itself. So these are some really nice shots, including the zoom. Everything is shot on the Pixel 3a itself, on the XL. So that's pretty much it, guys. So let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the Pixel 3a XL. We'll be posting a full review soon. And if let us know what you think. Are you getting the Pixel 3a or the 3a XL? Do you think it's expensive? How much are you willing to pay for a 3a or 3a XL? So let us know in the comments, and if you are interested to buy one, you can hit the link below to get one or pre-book one. So see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.